Chapter 7. Bloom and Grow. Parts of a plant. The body of a plant is divided into two parts: shoot system and root system. Shoot system. The part of the plant that is above the ground is called the shoot system. It grows upwards. It includes the stem, leaves, branches, and flowers. Root system. The part of the plant that is under the ground is called the root system. It grows deep down inside the soil. Types of roots. Roots of almost all plants grow below the ground. There are two types of root system. The taproot system consists of a single thick root from which small roots grow and branch out. Carrot, beans, hibiscus and mustard are some plants that have taproot. The fibrous root system has a bunch of very fine and bushy roots arising from the base of the stem. Onion, wheat, maize and grass have fibrous roots. Modified roots. Aerial roots. These roots hang from the branches towards the soil. They absorb water from the air and support the heavy branches of the tree. Banyan tree, orchids, etc. have such roots. Storage roots. Extra food made by the plant is stored in the roots of some plants in the form of starch. During shortage of food, due to crop failure, flood, drought or famine, people eat them as food. Carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, yam, tapioca, sweet potato, etc. are examples of storage root. Roots of some plants store water for the plant during the dry summer months. For example, asparagus, pumpkin, etc. Propagative roots. Some plants can multiply with the help of their roots. These plants produce buds along the roots that grow near the surface of the ground. As these plants propagate with the help of their roots are called propagative roots. Cherry and strawberry plants have such roots. Breathing roots. In marshy areas where the soil is waterlogged, roots grow above the soil to help the plant to breathe. Mangrove trees have such breathing roots. Buttress roots. These are large roots that grow on all sides of a tall tree. The roots support the plant and allow it to absorb more nutrients. These roots are found in the trees of tropical rainforest. Functions of roots. They provide support to the plant by fixing it firmly to the soil. They help the plant to grow by absorbing water and other useful substances from the soil. They store food in roots like carrot, radish, turnip which we eat as vegetables. Importance of flowers as part of plants. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. They are responsible for the birth of young new plants from the old plant. They are found in different colors, sizes and shapes. They may grow singly or in bunches. Most plants have flowers, though there are many plants that do not have flowers. Though the flowers may look different, they have the same basic parts. Parts of a flowers. A complete flower has the following parts. Petals. These are the colorful parts of a flower. The petals attract bees and butterflies with their bright color and pleasant smell. Sepals. These are green leaf-like structures that protect the flower when it is a bud. Stamen. It is the male part of a flower. It is made up of the anther and the filament. The anthers carry the pollens. These are generally yellow in color. Anthers are held up by a thread-like part called the filament. Carpel. This is the female part of a flower. It consists of the stigma, style and ovary with ovules. Plants that have flowers. Plants can be divided into two types: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Some flowering plants are rose, jasmine, sunflower, lotus, tulip and daisy. Some non-flowering plants are ferns, algae, moss, mushroom, spruce and pine. Types of flowers. Flowers do not bloom in all seasons. Most of them are season-specific, though some flowers bloom throughout the year. Annuals have a lifespan of just one season, 1 year, in which they grow to full size, bloom, produce seeds and die. Examples are marigold, petunia, sunflower and zinnia. Biennials have a lifespan of 2 years. They grow to full size in the first year and produce flowers and seeds in the second year, after which they die. Some of these flowers are carnation, sweet william, Canterbury bells, and hollyhock. Perennials have a lifespan of more than 2 years, and they bloom every year. Examples are rose, canna, peony bushes, and lily. Some flowers are seasonal. Sunflower, zinnia, tulip, daffodil, and lily bloom in spring. Tube rose, sweet pea, hibiscus, dahlia and daisy are summer flowers. Well-known autumn flowers are chrysanthemum, marigold, rose, gerbera and zinnia. Hyacinth, tulip, orchid, jasmine and forget-me-not are winter flowers. Who is attracted to flowers? Different insects, bats, birds, etc. visit flowers for nectar. Most of them are attracted by the color or smell of the flowers. Bees make honey from nectar. Some of the special attractions of different flowers are briefly described below. Butterflies get attracted towards carnation because of its bright red or pink color. Bees get attracted towards the iris flower because of its blue and yellow color. The yellow color of the columbine attracts moths at night. Flies get attracted towards Rafflesia flower because of its odor. It smells like rotten meat. Beetles get attracted towards magnolia because of its strong sweet smell. Bats get attracted towards the white flowers of saguaro cactus plants in search of nectar. Uses of flowers. Flowers have many uses in our everyday life. Some of them are discussed below. Some flowers like cauliflower, banana flower, drumstick flower, broccoli, etc. are eaten as vegetables. In marriages and festivals, flowers are used to decorate houses, doorways, etc. Flowers are gifted on special occasions like weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, etc. Flowers are offered in temples, churches and placed on the graves of loved ones. Women wear flowers on their hair to enhance their beauty. Flowers are also used to make medicine and cosmetics. Extracts of flowers like rose and hibiscus are used to make drinks called sharbat. The extracts of saffron flowers are used to give flavor to food. Extracts of flowers of mustard plant, sunflower and safflower are used to make cooking oil. Honey is made from the nectar of flowers. Journey of flower from garden to flower seller. A florist is a person who sells flowers. She is an expert in the art of arranging flowers. She sells various types of flowers. Some of them are available locally, while many of them come from faraway places or even outside India. The cost of flowers varies depending on their availability, season, etc. Flowers are a source of happiness and beauty. They are very useful to us as well. We must preserve them and add to their glory. Word bank. Famine, a lack of food during a long period of time in a region. Propagate, to produce new plants from a parent plant. In a nutshell, a plant has a root system which is found underground and a shoot system which is found above the ground. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. Roots provide water and nutrients to the plant and also hold it firmly to the ground. Plants are divided into two groups, flowering and non-flowering. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. They differ in shape, size and color. The main parts of a flower are petals, sepals, stamens and carpels. Different flowers bloom during different times of the year.